Sorry I was late. My massage went overrun. It went, like, late. Overtime, yes.
I got that happen before. Let's just start now.
Miss Trevious, I hate you so much.
Well, I hate you more.
Oh my god, Miss Trevious, Miss Trevious, Miss Trevious. I hate you so much. So let's get on. Okay, welcome to the first bonfire. The first berry goes to Growlithe. Yeah, baby. Licky tongue, licky, yeah. Chingling.
Yes,
Pidgey.
yeah.
Mudkip. Yeah, well, no, I'm still in it. Weasel. Woo-hoo. Hornivine. Croagunk. Woo. And final one, Riolu. Leaving two people, Aipom and Mischievous. The final berry goes to Aipom. I'm just kidding, Mischievous.
Duh. That's not fair.
Why'd you vote me off?
I didn't vote for you, Aipom.
Well,
You didn't.
Well,
Mommy.
this-
Mommy, help.
this sucks. Well, guys, I had a good time. Okay, just go to... Well, I had a good time, but unfortunately I got eliminated. First, I hate that. God, I'm so stupid. Well, see you later, guys.